try my best on screen.
You guys can laugh at this shit all you want because I get some of it as satire, but you're not training hard if you haven't had some uncomfortable noises come out of you inside of the gym. Different grunts and fucking screams, whatever you got to do to fire yourself up, let that shit out. That means you're living in the fucking moment and you're feeling it. Go get it. A lot of you guys make fun of shit like that, but for a lot of people, that's what they need. They need to get in that zone in order to push themselves farther than they've ever gone. Well, a lot of you are scared to even go there, and you never fucking will. You'll sit there on the leg extensions and do 10 reps just so you can send 10 texts, and it's ridiculous. Get in there and train your fucking ass off. I don't care if you're screaming. I don't care if you make Helen Keller sounds, whatever you want to fucking do. If you're training your balls off, you have my fucking respect.